Start.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, Suman. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine.
Okay,
Thanks for asking.
that's great. So, ma'am, tell me,
Hmm.
how was your day?
Yeah, my day was very busy because I have been learning English since long and I have been working on it. So, in the morning, I was doing some amazing thing. So, I was, making a script and writing something, and then I do my household chores. And now I get free, so I thought I should talk to you.
Okay.
What about your day? Hmm.
Yeah, today was not hectic, but just quite busy. So, because of
Hmm.
I'm working person, so that's why, yeah, today was good for me. So, ma'am, how was weather there? How was weather there today?
Yeah, there, where here weather is can't say good or neither good not bad, but it is you said so so. In the right now, I'm feeling good because the weather is the wind is blowing, and I'm feeling good. But in the afternoon, I was feeling so restless because I was feeling hot. But right now, it's better.
Yeah, here is also, I think just last 3 days, raining was it was raining, so that's why uh, we are feeling cold. So that's why means weather is a little bit cold. So
Oh,
yeah, so here is
yeah. It means a pleasant weather from your side.
yeah, we can say it.
Very nice. Hmm. So let me know about yourself. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for introducing myself. So as you know that my name is Suman and I basically belong from UP, but currently I live in Delhi with my family members. And if I talk about my education, so I have done graduation in technical field, and right now I'm working in private company in technical field. So
Hmm.
and my hobbies are just listening music and exploring new places. And sometimes I interested to learning something new. So that's all about myself. Thank you so much for listening to
Nice.
me carefully. And
Yeah, it's very good, very nice, a very crispy introduction. I will give my introduction. This
yeah,
is Sadia, and I'm a homemaker. I am online language teacher, and I'm a content creator. As far as my education is concerned, I have done BSc B8. And regarding my hobbies, I love watching English movies and improving my English. And I enjoy reading books, self-help books, and also apart from that, I run my YouTube channel where I created only spoken English content. That's all about me.
so ma'am, how means when comes idea about you should start your YouTube channel for learning purpose?
Okay, I have started my channel 4 years back, but at that time I was not serious.
Okay, yeah.
Not serious. And then I realized that now I have realized that it is very, very important because I have started teaching English language last 2 years. So I know grammar, I can teach grammar, but when it comes to speaking, I get stuck. I forget the words. So I was thinking, then I asked some question from the expert. What should I do? So they suggested me to start YouTube channel because when I know I can write some, it's very easy. But when it comes to speaking, I got blank. So they asked me to start YouTube channel because it helps you to overcome the hesitation, overcome your fear. So I started my channel uh, 1 years back.
Okay, yeah, ma'am. You take a good idea, good way for enhance your skill for getting something new, little bit new.
Hmm.
So I think it is very helpful when you start your YouTube channel and you able to speak something front of the people and people listen to you very carefully. They take interest for listening to you. So that is
Yes,
this
yes,
is this is a very this is give us a motivation just like as people appreciate to us for how can you improve your communication skill.
exactly, exactly. It helps me a lot. It helps me a lot
Yes,
because I love imparting my knowledge through this media. I teach offline as well online, but this way I have learned so many things. So this is a very good, I would say, to create your channel and start teaching because you have learned so many things
yes,
over
yes,
the years. So now it's the time to impart their knowledge. So I love to teach. I love to, see how long it goes.
yes, right. So, ma'am, so I have a question regarding you. So, uh, means ki in this age people didn't take interest. I saw many people, but you are taking interest in this age. So, I think age is not a means age doesn't matter for learning something. So, what about your point of view regarding this?
Yes, I would say age. Age is just a number because I'm very passionate to teach, to learn. So learning can be difficult at this time because some attention problems, some forget. I sometimes forget things, but I am so passionate to learn English, to speak English, and to teach English. So I think it's a very good way to explore things and learn from others because I love talking with others. I love talking to other people, like other countries people, so that I can uh, teach from learn from
Yes,
learn from them, like their culture, their cuisine, lot of things. So it's a good way, I would say.
yes, ma'am.
Can I ask something?
Yes, yes, sure, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. How did you start your English learning journey and what motivates you?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I started English only last 3 years, but in the middle of the year I leave because of some kind of work. So right now start again just last 1 month. So I use so many
Hmm.
platform for learning this language, just like as a Telegram. So right now I using only Telegram application for learning this language. I talk to
Hmm.
people there, and they have a much more group. So I follow all group who is which are related to English language only. So I listen to people. So there was a very interesting people. They have a very knowledgeable person. So they are very helpful to me, and I get some friends also. And uh, there is very means ki comes girls different countries, so that's why we can talk to them, and that's why we
Yes,
can
yes,
enhance
different countries. Yes,
yes, communication skill, yeah. So
yes.
like
You are a professional working, so that's why you need in
yes,
your
yes,
office, in
yes,
your
yes,
job workplace. Yes,
yeah, ma'am,
yeah, yeah. It's
that's
very
why,
helpful.
yeah, because in company there is a not environment just like as a English, so that's why I have to give
Hmm.
much more efforts regarding this language. Uh,
Hmm.
Nothing to else.
Yes, yes, it happens because we don't have environment, we don't have people to talk. So we have to, go the extra mile to learn English.
Yes,
where we have, we are using method like method technique, like shadowing, all of, I'm still doing these things because to improve my English.
Okay, so
Yes.
what is